Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of average revenue now. Now, the second category of revenue that we discussed after total revenue was average revenue. Now, what exactly average revenue means is something that we're going to discuss. Let me give you a brief concept about it. Now, average revenue basically will teach you one thing. Whatever total revenue you have, and if you divide that by quantity, whatever revenue you get is the average revenue. This is what we can speak about. That's the average that we have always learned. Now, let us go to the theory part. We can obtain the average revenue. We can obtain, it is not derived, it is not already present. We have to derive that specific part. You have to get that detail by doing certain actions. Now, what are those actions? What is the formula related to it is something that we're going to study. Now, this is divided, or rather this is derived by dividing the total revenue by the total units sold. That means whatever total revenue you have, and if you divide it by the quantity sold, you will get an average revenue, or rather you'll get a number that will give you the exact composition of average revenue here. Now, AR is equal to TR upon Q, where TR, or rather TR refers to the total revenue, AR refers to the average revenue, and Q refers to the total units sold. Now, it should be noted that average revenue is equal to the price. That is the price that you have sold. So here you can say that average revenue is always equal to the price. This is a basic notification that you have to know. Why? Let's take an example. Earlier we took, like, the total revenue was 1 lakh and the quantity sold was 10,000 units. So if you divide this by this, you get a value of 10 rupees, which is actually equivalent to the price on which it was sold out. Hence, average revenue is equivalent enough to the price. That is what they are saying. In the coming topics, we shall discuss why average revenue is equal to the price. Now, the reason for this will be discussed in the upcoming topics. Why exactly we say that average revenue is equal to price, and what is the reason it comes on an equivalent basis. That is, LHS is equal to RHS when it comes to average revenue and price here. That is something that we'll be discussing later on. But for now, when it comes to average revenue, this is the basic formula that you need to understand. That's it for the video. Thank you.